third grade friends. Don't you love it when you find a puzzle piece that fits? Once again, I'm Mrs. Massa from Sarar. In the first video, we learned how to find the area of shapes or figures using unit squares. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the area using multiplication. Your goal for this lesson is to be able to use multiplication to find the area of a rectangle or a square. Let me show you. Recognize this array? We did this back when we did multiplication. In this array, I have 4 rows of 2. 1, 2. I could use repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and get 8. Or I could do 4 times 2 and get 8. 8 what? 8 square units. Units squared. I forgot to show you that in the last video. You can do a little number 2 as the word square. Here's another example. I have another array. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. In each row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. I could use repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. Or I can do multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16 square units, or 16 units squared with the little number 2. What do we do if we don't have square units? Like these. I can use a formula. The formula is area equals length times width. So for this rectangle, area equals 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters. 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 what? 8 square centimeters. Look at this example. I have another rectangle. Area equals length times width. Area equals 8 times 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 what? 16 square meters. Look at this example. Now I have some squares. We know the squares have 4 sides and all the sides have equal lengths. So if this top side is 5 inches, the adjacent side is 5 inches. Again, use our same formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 5 times 5. Area equals 25 square inches. The next one, 10 feet. If this side is 10 feet, the adjacent side is 10 feet. Because we know a square has 4 equal sides. Again, the formula, area equals length times width. Area equals 10 times 10. The area equals 100 square feet. Pretty basic. Yeah. What if we tried this? I'm going to draw 3 different rectangles. All of them have an area of 24 square inches. So I could do something that looks like this. And I could label this side 6 inches and this side 4 inches. Use my formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24 inches squared, square inches. I could do it another way. I could draw something that looks like this. I could do 2 inches times 12 inches using the same formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 12 times 2. The area is 24 inches squared. I could also do something that looks like this. And I could say this is 3 inches and this is 8 inches. Same formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 8 times 3, 24 square inches. So here's 3 examples of 3 different rectangles, but they're all similar because they all have 24 square inches. Now, I bet you're wondering why. Why, Mrs. Massa, do we have to learn area? Well, people find the area of spaces and objects every day. For example, say your parents want to put new carpeting in your bedroom. Do you know how much carpet to order? Well, after today's lesson, you'll be able to help your parents figure out the area of your bedroom and order the correct amount of carpet. Say you measured your rectangular bedroom and one side was 10 feet and the other side was 14 feet. What's the area of your bedroom? We'll begin by drawing a rectangle, the same shape as your bedroom. One side I told you was 10 feet. The other side was 14 feet. Use your formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 14 feet times 10 feet. Area equals, do you remember 14 times 10? 140 square feet. So you'll be able to go to your mom and dad and say, I know how much carpeting we need to order. I need to order 140 square feet. Now, head back to the slideshow and do the next activity and then submit it to your teacher. Bye.